All right, good morning, everyone. So today we're going to be learning about volumetric fillers. So again, volumetric filler, you're going to see that this looks very similar to an auger filler. We're going to explain the difference between the two a little later on. Today we're going to learn where to find it on Sigma's website, what a volumetric filler is, when to use it, where to find it in production line, and what to look for. Where to find it on our website. You go to our website, buy equipment, you're going to go down to filler, and right at the bottom is volumetric filler. So read this definition if you want, but simply put, what this is going to do is going to have a preset cylinder. It's going to spin around. It's going to get filled with a product. The top's going to be scraped to be level, and then it's going to spin again, get dropped, and then repeat that process all day long. So when do you want to use this? Well, a volumetric filler and an auger filler both fill very similar items, and they're both very similar looking, do about the same thing. A volumetric filler, you're going to do more inexpensive items that's non-dusty, free-flowing, and if fill rate is a top priority, because these are going to be able to move faster than your auger filler can. An auger filler, on the other hand, can do non-free-flowing, dusty, and a range of products. It can also do the free-flowing, but the main thing there is that dusty and range of products. So upstream and downstream, you're going to have bottle unscrambler, your product hopper, incline conveyor to take it up to the volumetric filler, your metal detector, see if anything's in there. Then you'll have your volumetric filler. Downstream, you're going to have that vertical form fill seal, capper, induction sealer, labeler, check weigher, stretch wrappers, case erectors, case tapers, items like that. Production line. So instead of an auger filler, you just switch it out with a volumetric filler. Bottle unscrambler, over into the volumetric filler. Down the line into a capper, to an induction sealer, labeler, and then it's sent off to be packaged. A couple videos here for you. So this is a Speedy. It's going to be a dual head volumetric filler, and you're going to see a bottle unscrambler with it. So you see that bottle unscrambler, getting all your bottles ready. It's going to start taking it down the line, and you see the two lanes. So each of these cylinders is dropping product into one of those cups. And you see, it's getting filled. There's a little white thing right here. It's scraping the top off, so it's equal every time, and then it's dropping down, straight down those lanes into your cup. One last video. This is a pocket fill system. So this is actually going to have little pockets. You know, if you're trying to get 5 pieces, 12 pieces of a certain product in there, it's going to have a pocket, and that pocket gets filled, and it drops your 12 pretzel bites every time. So if you look right there on the right, you can see there's your 12 pockets, your holes. That's going to get filled every time as it comes around, and the top's going to get scraped. That way it's only those 12 that are getting put in there and then dropping down. And as you see, they're getting dropped, and it's getting just those 12 each time, so you get the constant amount. So here's an engineering project that we did. We did have video, but it didn't show much of the volumetric filler. So I'm just going to walk you through it. Right there on the right, you'll have your product hopper with an auger conveyor taking your product up. I think this was filling oats into a dual lane cup filler. It's dropping it into your volumetric filler. This is dual lane because it's filling 2 cups at a time. Into the cup filler, going down, getting sealed, and then lidded. Some of the companies that we like and manufacturers, Speedy and Allfill, it's going to be the 2 main ones. Industries used. You're going to see this in food a lot with your oatmeal, your cereal, rice, pharmaceutical, chemicals, cosmetics. It's going to be a lot of your powder. Some of the things acquisition is going to look for: cycles per minute, how many pockets, does it come with change parts, product scraper, product reclaim brush. Sales, want to know product being used, the desired volume, the speed, and do they plan on running other products as well? So if they're going to switch it up a lot, you may do an auger filler instead of volumetric cup filler. Engineering questions can be a lot of stuff acquisitions is looking for. Is product hopper included? Hopper capacity, cup capacity, change parts, electrical information, how many sleeves does it have? Here's some examples. This Sigmone example, it's a speedy volumetric filler. It's got 4 pockets. It's running about 120 fills per minute. And it was last running instant chicken fried rice. So again, you're seeing that more inexpensive product going through these. I want to throw this one out here, show that auction does have this stuff as well. Sunshine Machinery cup filler. It's 4 stations with the change parts that are included. It can do 2 to 8 ounces, and it has a 30-liter hopper. So we've seen that a volumetric filler has a cylinder, spins around, gets filled, and drops that product into your bag, your cup, your box, whatever you're trying to fill. It can run free-flowing, non-dusty products at a high fill rate. We've seen what to look for, such as that product reclaim bar, the hopper, how many cups are available on it, and what industries typically use this, such as your cereal, granola, and cosmetics, anything running powder.